Hey buddies, welcome to my first ever video on this channel. Today I'm going to solve a lead code problem which is merge sorted array and it is termed as a easy problem. So let's see what's the problem. You are given two integer arrays num1 and num2 sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, so how's the pattern? It is sorted in non-descending order and two integers m and n representing the number of elements in num1 and num2 respectively. So the two arrays are num1 and num2s respectively. Okay, merge num1 and num2 into a single array sorted in non-descending order. Okay, the final sorted array should not be returned by the function but instead be stored inside the array num1. Okay, so what the problem is telling, we take two arrays num1 and num2 and the final answer, that is after merging num1 and num2, the answer should be stored in num1 itself and nothing should be returned. As you already see, this is a void type function, so we have to change only num1 and we have to store the merged array into num1. Okay, to accommodate this, num1 has a length of m plus n. Okay, so we have to increase the length of num1 from n to m plus n. Okay, where the first m elements denote the element that should be merged and the last n elements are set to 0. Okay, so we have to set the last n elements to 0 and should be ignored. Num2 has a length of m, num1 has a length of m and num2 has a length of n, and we already see this in the function statement. Okay, so first we should go through the examples to get the correct proper explanation of this problem. See, num1 is given as 1 2 3 0 0 0. Okay, so the size is 6, m equals to 3 because we have 3 elements. Okay, and num2 equals to 2 5 6, n equals to 3. So what's the output? 1 2 and 3 and 2 5 and 6, we have merged it, and after merging we have to sort it. After sorting we see that the answer is 1 2 2 3 5 and 6. Here it is already written. The arrays we are merging are 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5, 6. The results of the merge is 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6 with the underlined elements coming from num1. Okay. Let's see example 2. In example 2 we are given num1 equals to 1. That is there is only one element, so the size is 1, m equals to 1, and num2 is blank, that is no elements are present, it is null, and the size is also 0. Then the output is coming only 1 because after merging 1 and a blank array, it's only 1 and the size after merging is also 1. Okay, here it's written the array we are merging are 1 and a null array. The result of the merge is 1. Okay, I hope it's clear, pretty clear. Input, see example 3, num1 equals to 0. Okay, so in num1 we have only 0 and the size is 0 because it was mentioned earlier that the blank spaces are filled with 0. So we consider 0 as a null array and its size is also denoted as 0. Num2 is 1 and n equals to 1. Then the output is coming because the size of num2 is 1 and its size is also 1 and the value stored is also 1. After merging we see that the output is 1. See the explanation, the array we are merging are a null array and a 1. Why null array? Because 0 denotes a null array. Okay, the result of the merge is 1. Note that because m equals to 0, there are no elements in num1. The 0 is only there to ensure the merge result can fit in num1. Okay, 0 is only present so that we should get that idea that after merging there is a space where we have to allot it, and after merging we have to return nums1 as the question suggests us or the question requires. Okay, so let us code it right away. Let's begin with the coding stuff. Okay, so first of all we declare a vector where we are going to store the values after merging, and after that we will put this value into nums1 and the changes are being changed in nums1, so the result is according to the question and it's correct. Okay, so first we make a vector of int type v. Next we run a for loop from I equals to 0 till n I plus plus. We push these values inside the vector nums at nums1 at I. Okay, so we push all the values of num1 into I, and this loop will continue. Same goes for nums2. For in j equals to 0, j less than n, sorry, uh, because the size of nums1 is m, so we should take here m. There was a silly mistake. uh, j plus plus, we push all the values of j inside it. Nums at nums2 at I, sorry, at j. Okay, so we have pushed all the values, and the final part where we are going to put all the values into nums1. K equals to 0, k less than m plus n, k plus plus, nums1 nums1 at k equals to v at k. Okay, so in the last loop what we did, we took all the elements from the vector, from the duplicate vector, and all put all the values in nums1. So the final result will be stored in nums1, and that's the question asking to us. Vector at k sort nums1 dot begin. I've already told that we have to sort it because the answer here was in a sorted fashion. Nums2 dot end. Uh, Everything is fine. Let's run our code. Uh, let's see if it gets accepted. Why this error? There is a silly mistake which I made. It should be nums1. Okay, let's run it again. This time it should be accepted. Okay, so it's accepted. Let's run it for the example test cases too. Okay, it's working all right. Let's submit it. Okay, so it's also submit. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you understood the explanation. And in case you did, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, keep coding, keep practicing. This was Tushar here, signing off. Bye bye.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.